Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 76. Our subject is coiling door. So, as usual, before going ahead, I would like to request you press the bell icon, subscribe, like it, share it in order to reach the next video with easy access. So, coiling doors are the part of the uh, buildings, is one major item for the buildings or any other commercial, either it is commercial or uh, residential building. So we will discuss about the coiling doors. In residential building, it can be used in the garages and the carports and main gates also even sometimes. So what is the coil door? Coiling doors are metal slatted door that roll up above the opening. As the door opening, it forms a compact coil. Comp- Comparison as a sectional door needs exceptional breakdown since these doors often hang parallel to the ceiling when open. Coiling doors remove many issues often associated with the sectional garage doors, etc. The service door are the similar roll up, uh, typically made from the steel, aluminum, and the works of the coiling up. The often used these types of the door used around the loading docks, warehouses, in the storage and facilities, and the workplace slots made by the aluminum and the steel together into a continuous pattern metal. So there is again question: how does rolling doors work? The rolling door consists of small interlocking horizontal slots that, when lifted, travel along the track and coil around the drum directly overhead and roll up. They can also roll into a coil due to their great flexibility, which is due to the thickness of the slots. Then again, there is a provision how these doors are working safely. Uh, Garage doors, sensors, and many other uses for a photo eye system. These sensors are placed on either side of the garage or about the 6 inches of the around the ground, and press it remote, and also it's open your garage. Even some sensors are open the door by the pressing by the fingers. Uh, is the genuine sensor with the overhead doors? Yes, it's the genuine safe T beams. These are infrared sensors also detected obstruction and overhead the garage door before it closes, preventing uh, property and the personal damage. The sensor only the work with the genuine overhead doors. Residential garages operated the mounting hardware into are included. So, what are the roll-up doors? So, the roll-up doors use slots of galvanized steel, aluminum, or stainless steel that roll up to store in an overhead coils. They provide industrial, commercial, uh, and the building's security against the unwanted entry where the protection is required. Then, after the wind rated designed and the it's meet the loads requirements to held business overhead straight building codes. Uh, what are the durability of and the services? The doors are overhead coiling doors are the industrial leading advantages like the structure and customization of the door and the reliability factor of these doors. So reliability meaning the maintenance cost is very minimum, and its service life is very long. The rolling door custom made your specification desired a handle up to 50,000 close eye by a daily use approximately. Additionally, the roll-up doors also customized and variable standard colors, finishes, treatments. Winds door also sizes and ball, and these are provides the adequately performance and the values. How the roll is coil doors are the working commercial doors, steel up doors, aluminum roll up doors are common commercial use. The minimum steel and doors, aluminum and the steel doors consist of many thin horizontals section and the universe fastening guidance, and also there are many types of accessories which are connected to each other and directly proportional and the inversely proportional to the neighboring accessories components, and the guides and the sensors together to itself a comprehensive operation and the performance. Many of these roles are used directly driven operational rather than the chain fast operation as a garage. Sometimes it's used the chain control, also manual chain control in order to motor is not working. In some doors also there is option and the provision to control by the motor. It can be by motor, by sensor, and by the chain pulling in the manual system. So after the before prior to fixing the commissioning and the demonstration of this road, and the maintenance manual should be provided by the manufacturer and demonstrated in accordance to the local building codes and the product specification for the future reference handling and the maintenance procedure. So the coiling doors are all very typical doors also because it's made with a lot of accessories. So this all the materials and the mill certificate confirm the physical properties of this door and of these different materials because it is not fully the aluminum, not fully the steel. It is some parts are aluminum, some are steel, some bolts inside also with galvanized and the carbon steel also. There are many different types and the catches and these things. So all of this whole scenario and the door is designed in accordance to the local building codes, wind load, and the specific requirements of the design. So this was the briefing about the coil and overhead and the insulated door also, but depend upon the specs also. It can be insulated and it can be without coil, single coil, and the U value also is controlled in accordance to the room conditions requirements. So in next video, we will also discuss about the doors, which is hollow metal doors. So this was about the coiling door overhead and these things. So thank you very much for the participation, and we will see each other in next video with another subject. Have a nice day.